So who is Lake Warrior? Well, I'm going to show you. Okay, so as you can see, I get to do some pretty cool stuff for a living. But Lake Warrior is about more than just all of the design and all of that. To me, the design is interesting. It's what I do for a living. What Lake Warrior really is about is showing the connection between DIY, building, making, doing things, allowing other people to celebrate that with you in terms of your family and your friends, getting to come and enjoy what you get to do. Lake Warrior is a lot more about that than it is about anything else.
Building a house, moving a sewer line, putting in boulders, planting hostas, putting in a well, putting in a dry well, plumbing in your toilet, doing your kitchen sink, your gas for your stove, putting in a kitchen island that looks beautiful, building a spiral staircase, putting in a wood ceiling, tiling a backsplash, building a custom ladder, putting new walls in, putting a new bathroom, putting everything in. All of this seems overwhelming when you first look at it. The reality is all of these are just steps to get into a result, okay? And all these steps, you add them together and they turn into a great thing. But at the end of the day, if you understand how to take a step, how to diagnose a step, understand just what that one piece of the puzzle is, break that one piece down, those pieces will eventually add up to a big result. And my aim with Lake Warrior YouTube channel is to help people understand how to break down the steps, break down these into actionable pieces so you can put together your puzzle of life and build your house of dreams.